In today's video, I'm going to show you how to keep paragraphs together in Word so your text stays neatly formatted and doesn't split awkwardly across pages. This is super useful when you're working on reports, essays, business documents, or any file where you want related paragraphs to stay connected and look more professional. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Word tips. Let's jump right in. First, open your Microsoft Word document and highlight the paragraph or paragraphs you want to keep together. You can click and drag to select the text, or if it's a larger section, select the whole block you want to control. This step matters because Word will apply the paragraph settings only to the selected text. Once your paragraph is selected, go to the Home tab at the top of Word. In the Paragraph section, look for the small arrow in the bottom right corner. This is called the Paragraph Dialog box launcher. Click that small arrow to open the Paragraph Settings window. Inside the Paragraph dialog box, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Line and Page Breaks tab. This tab contains the settings that control how paragraphs behave when a document moves across pages. Now look for the Keep with Next option and check that box. This tells Word to keep the current paragraph attached to the next paragraph, which helps prevent awkward breaks and keeps related content together. After checking the box, click OK to apply the change. Word will now use that setting for the selected paragraph. If you have multiple sections that need to stay together, repeat the same process for each paragraph block. This is especially helpful for headings, introductions, instructions, and content that should never be separated from the paragraph that follows it. If your document still splits in a way you don't like, you can combine this with other paragraph options in the same line and page breaks area. But for most cases, Keep with Next is the main setting you need. After you've applied it, scroll through your document and make sure the formatting looks the way you want. You should notice that the selected paragraphs now stay grouped much better when Word moves text between pages. And that's it. You've now learned how to keep paragraphs together in Word using a simple built-in setting. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, productivity tips, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.